drive shaft. Heavy duty versus stock. This is the stock one. This is my replacement. I was gonna change my universal joints and a piece of this edge right here. The clip goes in, busted out, so they wouldn't repair it. That's it right there. That's it. I was compressing it, busted out. Not in a hurry. It cost me versus this one. So I had this one custom made. From Houston Drivetrain Services Industry. They're in Houston, Texas. And I mean, this bad boy is heavy duty. Everything is way thicker than the other one. The meat. There's about a 7 to 10 pound maybe difference between this aluminum and this aluminum. This is stock factory. And since I screwed this shaft up here, they wouldn't repair it. These are way expensive aluminum drive shafts put on the truck. Can't even find this one at O'Reilly's, AutoZone, or nothing. They don't even want to handle. They won't even handle them for some odd reason. Texas Edition 2011 Crew Cab Sierra with a 5.10-inch bed or whatever. This one they build is a beast. Supposedly it'll handle up to 2,000 horsepower. Way overkill what I need, but you know, I think this one's only rated for a ride. I think 197 miles an hour or 112, the stock one. This one's way over that for a regular half-ton truck. But that's what I could get. I could get exact fit. So if you want a drive shaft custom made and everything, these guys here do it. Heavy duty.